Hello, this is Teacher Cynthia. This is a pre-recorded video for our lesson in science. So we will have a review first. Last time we have studied about light that travels in every direction away from the source, and light travels in a straight line. When it comes to the movement of light through the media, it moves in straight lines, and it moves through air and other materials which are called media. So we have three types of media. We have number one, transparent medium, where all light can get through it. Number two, translucent medium, as you can see in the diagram. Some lights pass through, but some light doesn't pass through, they bounce back. Number three, opaque medium. As you can see in the diagram, light cannot get through opaque medium. These are the examples of media. Media can be classified into three groups as follows. We have transparent medium. Examples are clear glass, clear bottles, glass jars, and air. Number two, translucent medium. We have cellophane, stencil paper, ground glass, and fog. Number three, opaque medium. We have mirrors, cardboard, wood, and tiles. We also see books in there. Please take your textbook and open it on page 59. You will see this activity on page 59 of your textbook. So we are going to list 6 materials for each media. We have transparent materials, translucent materials, opaque materials. So in this activity, we are going to use the examples that they have given from the previous slide. So materials that allow light to pass through. Transparent materials, we have clear plastic, clear glass, clear bottles, glass, air, and also reading glasses. The second one, materials that allows sunlight to pass through. We have translucent materials. We have number 1, painted glass. Cellophane, stencil paper, ground glass, fog, plastic bags. For materials that do not allow light to pass through, called opaque materials, we have mirrors, wood, tiles, cardboard, paper, and the last one, metals. Next topic is about reflection. You can see in the picture that light hits the water and some of it bounces back, which we see as reflections. So reflection happens when light touches an object or a material and some light is returned or bounced back from the object. Mirrors and shiny objects with flat and smooth surfaces reflect light very well. So as you can see here, the light from the flashlight is reflected. We call it reflected ray. And then the straight line from the flashlight to the normal line is the incident ray. Through the incident ray and reflected ray, if you divide it into two, you will have the angle of incidence and then the angle of reflection. If light hits a smooth object like a mirror, we will be able to see the reflection on the mirror too. As you see on the picture, reflection of light when touching a smooth surface or opaque object, the incident ray and the reflection ray. If light touches a rough, opaque object, we will see a disorderly reflection ray, as you see here in the diagram. Reflection of light when touching a rough or opaque object. The reflection rule. Number 1. The incidence ray, the reflection ray, and the normal line are on the same plane as you see in the diagram. Number 2. The incidence angle is equal to the reflection angle at the light incidence area. So the key ideas here is that reflection of light has angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection, and shiny and smooth surfaces reflect light well. Alright, so we're going to make activity 4.2 in your workbook. Is the angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection? I want you to open your workbook on page 28 and 29. So these are the process of how to do the activity. And I have a video that I will show you in the next slide so that you can answer number 6 and number 7.